So very recently, YouTube made a very important update that affects all monetized creators here on the YouTube platform. So henceforth, you'll be paying a particular percentage of your revenue to the US tax authorities. However, you can get a reduced tax rate if you are a resident or a citizen of some particular countries who already have tax treaties with the United States.
And finally, does your country have a tax treaty with the US? Some countries have a tax treaty with the US that can potentially reduce the tax withholding rate on your revenue. So if you submit your tax info and claim a treaty benefit, your tax rate might be reduced. For example, partners in the UK or Canada may be eligible for a tax rate of 0%, while partners in Mexico or Korea may be eligible for a tax rate of 10%. AdSense will automatically surface the opportunity to claim a treaty benefit if one exists between your country and the US.
So this is what my video will be all about today. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fill in your tax information for the new YouTube AdSense payment. And I'll be showing you how you can get a lower percentage or even 0%. Depending on the country that you are. That is, if your country has a tax treaty with the United States government. If you are new here, my name is Victoria. Thanks for watching. Please click the subscribe button before leaving and tap the notification bell. Like this video and share this video out. You need to first log in into your Google AdSense account. Once you log in, you'll see this notification. You just click on manage the info and then you'll be directed to the manage tax info page. Here you'll be able to add your tax information. Once you click add tax information, it will prompt you to confirm that you are the owner of the account. Once you input your password, you will start the United States tax info process. So you'll be asked to pick whether you are individual or a business. So I picked individual because I am not a registered business here. So I picked individual. Then you click on next. It will ask you if you're a citizen, resident of the United States. No. Click on next. Of course, this is for people who are outside of the United States of America. So you'll be prompted to select a tax form. So the first one is the one that fits most for me. So I clicked on it and I clicked on start. So this brings me to this page where my name is automatically input. And then if you have another name for a business entity, then you might input that under DBA. You select your country of citizenship. When you click on the drop down arrow, you'll be able to see different countries. And my country is Nigeria, so I went ahead and clicked on Nigeria. So after that, it will ask for your foreign TIN, your foreign tax identification number. That is, you are not from the United States, you are outside of the United States. They want to have your tax information for the country which you are in. So I input my tax information for United Kingdom because I stay in the United Kingdom, and I clicked on next. Next, you are going to fill in your country of residence and your address. So there are two addresses, your postal address and your permanent resident address. So just tick the box up there that says permanent residence address and PO box is the same, so that you don't have to fill it twice. So once you tick it, you go on to the next one, and then for the tax treaty, it will ask you if you are claiming a reduced tax rate. Click on yes and then pick the country. There are a list of countries that already have treaty with the US. If your country is not there, there's nothing you can do. But if your country is there, click on it. I stay in the United Kingdom, so I picked United Kingdom, and then I picked all the services. There are 3 services there. There's the service AdSense, there's the motion picture part. So I clicked all the 3 and I filled the information. So make sure you tick all the boxes after you click yes or no. Read through it and click the boxes as they apply to you. Click on the drop down below the particular treaty that you've picked, and it will bring you the article and paragraph automatically. Pick the withholding rate. Of course, you want to pick 0% or whatever percent that you see according to the country of your residence. So go ahead and tick as you read. Make sure you read everything well, then tick as appropriate, and then you go on to the next phase. So the next phase is where you'll be able to preview the document. So there's a list of the documents as you have already filled. It will automatically put it in a PDF for you. Then you confirm that the information that you have given is correct. Click on next, and then below it is the certification and all the laws and everything. You might want to take your time to really read through this so that you are sure that you are doing the right thing. It will give you the reasons for why you have picked what you have picked. As long as you are sure that the reasons are right, then you can go on by signing. So your signature will be your full legal name. So here I put in my full legal name, and it's asking me if I'm the one with the signature. So I picked yes. If you are doing this on behalf of your child, then you pick no, and then I guess there will be other questions that will follow. So read through and certify that the services provided are provided outside of the US. Then it will ask you if this account has already received payments before or it's a new account. So I've received payment before with this, so I just pick that it's an existing account. So whichever one applies to you, pick it. But for me, it's an existing account, so I picked that. I don't think that's going to have any effect on the percentage. So tick the final agreement. If there's any changes you want to make, put it there, then you click on submit. So that's it. Now your account is set up and automatically you'll be approved. And as you can see, status is approved, the date is there, and all the claims that I've made are there. 0%, 0%, 0%. The side there is my address, and you can always submit a new form if you want. You can always submit a new form, and you can check out. So immediately I did that, they sent me a mail to confirm that my tax information has been approved. So you receive a mail immediately from Google AdSense that your tax information is approved.
Thank you for watching. I really hope that was helpful. Please like this video so as to help more people to discover this video. Share this video and subscribe if you enjoy watching my content. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.